Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the translator on the Language Translator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the translate option down below, which is the first option. Here you can see at the top of the screen that you need to select your source and target language. The source language is now set to English, and by tapping on the target language you can see that you have a bunch of languages that you can choose from. So select the one that you would like to change it for, and after that you should enter your text into this box in the middle of the screen in order to translate it. So type it in, and then click on the translate button in the right side of the box down below.
Hi, where can I
add, and then tap on skip video at the top of the screen to continue the process of translating your text. Here you can see that the target language translation will appear below the white box. If you want to listen to it, tap on the speaker icon, and you can also share it by tapping on the share button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.